My name is Ken Cedeño. I'm 22 years old and I'm from the Philippines. What one thing in my body that I should or that I would like to change and why? If one thing in my body that I'm not comfortable enough, is my belly. I got this big fat belly since I was a kid and until now I still have this. While I tried crunches and planking and sit ups like 20 times a day and still nothing happens. And it do like beer belly considering that I'm not a beer drinker. Because I tried once, drinking and I'll get these rashes all over my body, so I stopped drinking alcohol. So this is just I think purely fat and not by just consuming alcohol. So what are my bad habits? Well, good thing is that I'm not a beer drinker and I don't smoke. But I have this thing in my head like saying too many excuses. Like, that every time I wanted to go to gym and do and or go to jogging and every morning, I get this someone telling in my head that, oh, you can do it tomorrow. It's just a waste of time, just a waste of energy. You can do it the other time. And I'm like, yeah, maybe why not? You know, maybe I'm kind of, lazy in terms of making my body look good or making my body fit. And yeah, that's are my bad habits. Why I should be on your show? Well, actually, that is a good question. I might say that I can do every challenges you will be giving me and do it on my best. But the truth is, I need your help. You know, I need someone with extreme passion to change me and push me to the limit. And give me the urge that I need to change and be comfortable enough of my own skin. That I should be proud of myself, of who I am and what I am inside and out. So this is the real reason why I should be on your show. So I guess I'm running out of time and that's it. Bye.